Hello student, welcome to Shri Tuition classes. Today we are going to learn about displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction, highly reactive element displaces less reactive element. To understand this, let us perform an activity. In the activity, you have to take a test tube. In a test tube, you have to put the copper sulfate solution. You have to put one iron nail in that solution. Now, after some time, what you will find that the color of the solution fades away and the color of the iron nail also changes. The reaction is like this: Fe plus CuSO4 that gives Cu plus FeSO4 because iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. Therefore, iron has displaced the copper from the copper sulfate solution and it becomes iron sulfate. We can take another example also. Uh, that is zinc plus copper sulfate. As you see in the reactivity series, zinc is written above the copper. Therefore, zinc is more reactive than the copper. So, zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate solution and zinc sulfate solution is obtained and copper is separated. So this is a displacement reaction. So it is very simple in the displacement reaction that highly reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution. Now let us see about the double displacement reaction. To understand double displacement reaction again, we have to perform an activity. For that activity, you have to take two test tubes. In each test tube, put 3 ml of the sodium sulfate solution and in other test tube, take about 3 ml of the barium chloride solution. Now mix both the solution. After some time, you will find white color precipitates are obtained which is insoluble. Such a reaction is known as the precipitation reaction. Here in double displacement reaction, barium that is a positive ion and this sulfate that is a negative ion. This combines with each other and forms barium sulfate and NaCl is obtained in the solution liquid form. Okay, so in double displacement reaction, exchange of ions takes place and the precipitates are obtained. Such a reaction is known as double displacement reaction. So it is very clear in displacement reaction, highly reactive element displaces less reactive element and in double displacement reaction, exchange of ion takes place. Now students, let us understand another type of the reaction that is an oxidation and reduction reaction. So it is very simple. Oxidation reactions are the such reactions in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. Such a reaction is called oxidation reaction. And reaction in which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added. Such a reaction is known as reduction reaction. And when both the reaction that is oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, such a reaction is known as redox reaction. Let us see above from the example that is copper plus oxygen. This is copper plus oxygen is given. So here copper oxide is formed. That means oxygen molecule is added. Therefore, this reaction is oxidation reaction. In another example, this copper oxide is already given. It reduces to copper. Hence, oxygen is removed from this reaction. Therefore, it is reduction reaction. In third example, zinc oxide. Zinc oxide plus copper gives zinc plus copper oxide. Here, zinc in zinc oxide, oxygen is removed and zinc is formed. So this is a reduction reaction, whereas carbon is converted to carbon monoxide. Therefore, oxygen is added. Therefore, it is oxidation reaction. So in this reaction, both the type of the reaction takes place. That is oxidation and reduction reaction. Therefore, it is known as redox reaction. Redox, R-E-D, stands for reduction. O-X stands for oxidation. So it is known as redox reaction. So thank you students for watching the video. If you have any doubt, can contact me. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the video. Thank you.